Want longer, stronger nails by tomorrow morning? In this video, I'll show you a 100% natural overnight nail growth trick that's been loved by beauty pros and backed by science. Step 1. Soak your nails. Start with a warm soak. Add a teaspoon of sea salt and a few drops of lemon juice into warm water. Next, massage your nails and cuticles with castor oil or coconut oil. These oils are rich in nutrients like vitamin E and omega fatty acids that boost keratin production, helping nails grow faster and healthier. Step 3. Lock in moisture overnight. After the massage, wear soft cotton gloves before going to bed. This traps the moisture, allowing your nails to absorb nutrients while you sleep. Bonus: stay hydrated. Don't forget hydration. Drink at least 2 liters of water. Dry nails break easily. Final tip: repeat this routine for just 2 to 3 nights and see the difference yourself. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and check the description for my favorite nail repair gel that speeds up growth naturally.